Polly, and this is a video lesson of Russian language. Today we will learn a little bit about Russian numerals. Here you can see the numbers. They are also written in transliteration and in Russian script. Let us begin. 1. Один. Один. 2. Два. Два. 3. Три. Три. 4. Четыре. Четыре. You may have some difficulties trying to pronounce this sound. You should make a kind of clown smile, and then feel the muscles here. And try to make a sound. Surely it's exaggerated, but at least you'll get how it works. So if a friend of yours asks you this evening what you've learned from Russian, you may say He'll be very impressed. Next. 5. Пять. Пять. 6. Шесть. Шесть. 7. Семь. Семь. 8. Восемь. Восемь. 9. Девять. Девять. 10. Десять. Десять. And now, we will make some simple phrases with these numerals. I suggest that the first phrase will be there is one orange. To make it more convenient, we will divide the phrase into parts. The first part is a kind of grammatical there is, or it also may be there are for plural objects, and one orange. The first word, there, is typically used in English to point at the objects which are far away, or to make a phrase in the meaning of I've got. Like, there are 2 papers in my hand. I've got 2 papers. However, in Russian we use the equivalent of word here for the second meaning. To say I've got, to say near me. The equivalent of word here sounds like здесь. But the equivalent of the word there, to point at the objects which are far away, is там. Здесь or там. And the rest of the phrases I will use only the first word, здесь, because it's more difficult for you to pronounce, and if I say it, you'll learn it better, and the там is simple. And because the first word, здесь, is used more frequently. Okay. Здесь or там. And then goes the verb to be. We've got only one form of the verb to be in present tense for both plural and single objects. And it is есть. Есть. The first part. Здесь есть. And then one orange. 1. Один. Orange. Апельсин. Один апельсин. Здесь есть один апельсин. Okay. The second phrase. There are 2 apples. Здесь есть 2 яблока. Здесь есть, the first part is clear, 2, 2, apples, яблоко. There are 3 bananas. Здесь есть 3 банана. 3, bananas, banana. There are 4 kiwis. Здесь есть 4 киви. 4 is 4, kiwi is kiwi. There are 5 tomatoes. Здесь есть 5 томатов. 5. 5 tomatoes, томатов. You can see that all the 3 words, bananas, kiwis and tomatoes, are similar in Russian and English. So unless you learn the names of the rest of foods in Russian, you'll come to Russia and eat only on bananas, kiwis and tomatoes. Just kidding. Okay, the next one. There are 6 carrots. Здесь есть 6 морковей. 6. 6 carrots, моркови. There are 7 strawberries. Здесь есть 7 ягод клубники. You've noticed that this phrase has 3 words in the second part, and I can explain it so that in Russian we say berries of strawberry, berries of raspberry, all the berries. You can't say 7 strawberries. You say 7 berries of strawberry. 7. 7 berries. Ягод of strawberry, клубники. You don't need a preposition. This word stands in a special case. Cases. You don't have cases in English. Cases are used to make a special form of the word so that it's suited to the rest of the sentence. Next. There are 8 grapes. Здесь есть 8 vinogradin. 8. 8 grapes, vinogradin. We're moving away from foods. I don't want you to flood all the notes if you're making any. So there are 9 pencils. Здесь есть 9 карандашей. 9 pencils, карандашей. There are 10 tables. Здесь есть 10 столов. 10 is 10. And then tables. Столов. We are done with the phrases. And I suggest that we just revise the numbers from 1 to 10. I will say them slowly without English equivalents. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is all I've got for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, you can share with your friends and make them do together with you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.